I got my music turned up a bit. If you can hear me okay, let me know. Alright, here we go. Woo! That's good. Now, what I'm gonna really hit this Philly cheese up with, I'm gonna hit everybody. Thank you so much, Killing Kev. And thank you for coming in to hang out with us. And we got another shade on from Cheese Steak. Oh, we are moving with the subs. Thank you there, Cheese Steak. Thank you, Killing Kev. I'm gonna make sure they get to see when y'all come on, my man. Cheese Steak with the Warzone. He's a gaming Warzone freak. You gotta check him out. I just watched Dave. He was there going all crazy with the gaming Warzone. He damn near chopped somebody in half. Yeah. Killing Kev. Woo! I'm feeling the heat from this spicy sauce now. Oh, the jalapenos are kicking in. Oh, God. But if you don't want that much heat, we got Southern Bray. All right? Southern Bray, with the Patreon subscription service now, you can get from level 1 to 5 in hot sauces. And I'll make sure, my pledges only start at $3. But for that second tier, it's only $6 more. You'll automatically get any of these products that I get from my other friends in the small biz. We're gonna be giving out these gift bottles, some African Dream Food, some Bird's Eye Chili. This is gonna be going to my Slink 10 community fam. We'll be giving these products out as giveaways. Some of that ghost pepper salt. We got all that good stuff. But you know, people don't like me, they don't want to be on that hot stuff. They're a little healthy Southern Bray. It's sweet and spicy. I'm going to put this on the hoagie when I get done. And we get to enjoy to see how this stuff looks when you cook it, you know what I mean? So it's going to be fun. Let's get to cooking. I don't want to rush this.